Portugal. This is where I grew up. Every time I'm here, it feels like a homecoming for me. When I'm here, I'm inspired. This is why I wanted to create my first apparel collection. To bring part of my heritage to life, it had to be made here. Every detail in the design, each pattern, every thread, the fabrics, crafted by artisans using only the finest materials. To watch your creation come to life before your eyes, it's a feeling I can't describe. It's a joy, and also a pride, an appreciation of the well-made, a celebration of partnership. This is my home, my heritage, my design.